Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't Pain, but I'll buy you a drink.
Good morning everyone and welcome to this vlog. In this vlog I'm going to be taking you guys through a few busy days in my life during hospital placement. So as you can tell from my background, I'm not at home and I'm also not in Colchester, and that is because I have moved into Southend for my third and final placement of the year. Today's Monday and the time is currently 7:46, and as you can tell I'm all dressed up and ready to go to placement. But before we do that, I want to give you guys a quick room tour. So guys, this is a quick overview of my room. It's not as nice as my room in Colchester, but it will do, it will do. I actually really like what's going on here. Let's say hi in the mirror. And I've also got an ensuite. Oh, and another mirror. This is our kitchen. I need to make some breakfast because I need to leave soon. So for breakfast, I'm gonna have some Greek yogurt with some cereal, and I've also got chicken and like cheese and stuff because I'm gonna make myself a sandwich for lunch. So I've got myself my bowl, and I'm gonna put some Greek yogurt. Oh no, oh my gosh. Hopefully no one sees that. And there we go. Hello? I'm in the kitchen. Morning. Guys, look who it is! My flatmate!
Hi guys! This is gonna be our first vlog as flatmates, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the dynamics and stuff. I feel like it's gonna be a nice little shift to our usual vlogs, you know?
Oh my gosh.
This camera's on its last legs.
Guys, we need a new camera.
Guys, we need a new camera. Please watch through all of our ads so that we
If watching, please send us a new camera.
please share this video so that we can get more money.
Please.
Because this camera is literally on its last legs. There's like a crack.
And then there's like some pigmentation in the corner.
And then the flipping thing is not working. And then the tripod is broken.
Guys, I'm now in the hospital. I'll speak to you all when I'm done.
A few moments later.
Guys, I just got back from hospital placement and I'm literally so tired. Today has been such a long day. It's been a productive day, kind of, but it's been such a long day. I don't know if I've told you guys this, but I'm on the urology ward this week, which is essentially about ureters, bladders and all that stuff. Guys, a stranger has just entered my room.
Hey, how you doing?
Anyway, so what happened, what was I talking about? We started ward round and I saw lots of different patients, and obviously I was with the consultant, registrar, SHO and F1, I think. After that I had my lunch, which you guys saw me make. So I had my chicken sandwich, which was actually really nice, and I had my water and my Belvita biscuit as well. And once that was done, I went into the education centre, which is essentially the building where we have our clinical skills, CBLs, libraries, etc. It's like a building within the hospital. I went there to go to the library and do some past med questions because we have an exam coming up relatively soon, so I need to start revising. Guys, the day hasn't finished yet. It's literally been so long. I had clinical skills, so in the same education centre I had my clinical skills session, and today's one was about ABGs, which is arterial blood gases. And then when that was finally done, I was able to leave the hospital and make my way home. So yeah, that's a quick rambly rundown of how my day went today on hospital placement. I now need to go get changed as I have a meeting coming up soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm dressed, as you can see, and I've now got a meeting with my tutor. So the meeting I'm going to have now is my final meeting with her for the year, and then I'm going to try and go get some work done, a few more past med questions with Liddy, and then it's time to go to the gym. Let's first start with the meeting. Guys, it's not a few minutes, like half an hour
later.
No, like half an hour later
10
now.
past med questions later.
As you can see, we're in our gym attire and now we're making our way to the gym. There we go. Model Liddy has shown us her outfit. But yeah, this time we basically decided that we want to be gym lads and we want that summer bod, you know.
So now we go Monday to Friday for at least 1 hour. Do a bit of cardio, do a bit of squats, do a bit of abs, you know, summer's approaching and all.
So yeah, today is Monday, which is like lower body leg day. So we're gonna start off with a bit of cardio, and then we've got a legs, bumps and tums class, which I'm excited for.
Yeah.
Guys, she's so excited today to go gym.
Because you know, when you live this life, you know, it's a genre.
It's a fancy genre.
Been too long, finna hit the function, and then after hit the boardwalk. New fit, new watch, fresh kicks, boardwalk. Hit the spot with whole squad, rolling up like big shot, big shot. Never is when I stop, hit that highway 1 that we hit.
I am literally done. I am literally done. My legs feel like jelly, but it was a good workout. But now we gotta get home and eat some food. Hi guys, so as you can tell, I'm in bed. I'm ready to go to sleep. So we got back from the gym, we had dinner, and I had some spaghetti bolognese that I had made yesterday, and I heated that up today. It was actually really, really good. I also, of course, had a shower, and now I'm like in the perfect mood to just go to sleep. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, I literally just got up about 20 minutes ago. I'm running a bit late, so I can't waffle too much this morning. The shuttle bus comes to pick us up at 8:30, and as you can see, I'm all dressed and ready to go, but I now need to have breakfast. If you guys remember me making this cup or this mug last summer in one of our vlogs with Rafi, comment down below. But this is how my cup turned out. I can't show you guys because it's hot, but I can show you guys when it's completely empty. But for now, and to eat. Hi guys, so I just got into the hospital and I'm about to go on to wards. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Guys, I'm now back from hospital. Let me set up the camera and let's discuss how my day went. So my day, what did I do today? Today was a very, very busy day. So it started off with me joining the ward round, of course. After that, I had my lunch, and during lunch, I attended the ground round. I think that's what it's called. And it's essentially when all the different doctors and students at the hospital come together to listen to an interesting case, which is being presented by another doctor. Once that was done, I went on to wards for a few more hours, and then I was meant to have a CBL, which is a case-based learning session, and it's essentially where all the students in my year have to come together, and then there will be a doctor present a case to us, and it's quite similar to the ground round. We have to go through the patient's details, their examinations, ECGs, x-rays, all that stuff, to try and figure out the diagnosis of the patient and then come up with a treatment and management plan. But yeah, I was meant to have one of those today, but it got cancelled, so I just came home, and I'm home now, and I'm literally starving. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna quickly make myself some noodles and then eat that whilst watching some YouTube videos.
Hi guys.
So guys, I'm now all dressed. I've finished eating, and now I'm dropping Liddy to clinical skills. Liddy and Zoe.
When I tell you, I have the worst stomach ache, and Hazal is such an amazing friend to me for dropping me to placement.
She's got clinical skills, which is like essentially what I had yesterday, the ABGs and stuff like that. So she's gonna go to that. So do you want to say hi?
Hi.
This is Zoe. But yeah.
Stay quiet.
But now we're gonna go do that. I've lost my keys. I've just finished dropping off everyone, and now I need to go home and edit this week's video. Liddy just finished her clinical skills, and she was like, she wants to go to the beach, and I was like, I want to go to the beach. So we're gonna go to the beach. Look who it is. Outfit check.
Slot drop.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So guys, because Liddy wasn't feeling too well, she got herself some fish and chips as a
I
treat.
promise you, I'm usually really healthy. Today just...
She is usually healthy. We are working on our diet because of the gym.
Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies.
And we are back in my room. What did I take? Oh yeah, slides are in here.
Where are my slides?
On the floor. I stole them by accident. Bye. But yeah, we're back in my room and I'm ending the vlog for now. I'm gonna go straight to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Oh, the camera is a bit dirty. There we go. Good morning, guys. You guys might be wondering, why are you not in placement clothes? Because on Wednesdays we get a day off for our SSC, which is a patient report that we need to write up, and also for sports in the afternoon. So today's technically a day off. Well, I still need to do work, but I don't need to go into hospital placements today. We've got a podcast that we're going to film with 16th, who is our management. So let's go do that. Guys, we just finished the podcast. That was so good.
It was very good.
Danny and Gabby are so lovely. But now where are we going?
To do work. What?
We've got plans for after, but I forgot that we actually need to do some work now. Let's go do that.
2 seconds later.
So guys, we're actually gonna go to the cinema now, and if you guys didn't know already, I'm sure you know this, but Liddy is a big Marvel fan. Out of 10, how big of a Marvel fan are you?
I haven't finished WandaVision.
Liddy's a very big Marvel fan, and we're going to go watch the new Doctor Strange movie today. And Liddy said she had to finish WandaVision, which is like a series, before watching it. She forgot to finish it. And so she's gonna bring her laptop. Are you bringing a bag? Is this how you're leaving? Nothing. So she's gonna bring her laptop with her to finish the last episode. Me on the other hand, I'm chilling. I know I'm not gonna get everything, but I can't do what Liddy's doing, or is she? The funniest thing is, Liddy started this series like a month ago. But she still hasn't finished it. But anyway, let's get going. Guys, we just came out of the movie. Liddy, how'd you feel?
I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it too. It's a good movie.
It's a good movie, and as a Marvel fan,
yeah,
like I don't think Marvel disappointed with this movie. You know, I just had a lot of hypotheses after watching WandaVision, and you know the way they started the trailer. I just you know, I did expect the plot to take that direction. Okay. But overall, I'm still happy with Marvel. Like, they did a great job.
I think it was a good movie. Like, yeah. We're now gonna go
home, eat lunch. Well, I need to cook for dinner, and then
Liddy's making us dinner.
Today's my day for dinner. So every week we one of us like cooks for the other person. I'm cooking today, and then we need to get ready to go gym. Yeah, because we didn't go yesterday. Why? I had cramps. Am I not allowed to have stomach cramps?
You are.
Exactly.
So yeah, we need to make up for yesterday today by going twice as hard. So guys, like I said, Liddy's gonna be making us some dinner today. Liddy, what's on the menu?
Chicken wings, rice with some vegetable soup, and spring rolls.
Lovely. I'm actually really excited, I'm not gonna lie. And in the meantime, I'm going to make myself some lunch and also meal prep some lunch for the next few days. So I'm gonna make some rice, like chicken breast with some fried veg, and just kind of put it together. This is what the complete meal looks like. Now it's time to go to the gym. This is how I'm going to the gym. You can't really see my outfit because obviously I've got a jacket on, but I'm wearing my grey Gymshark set.
We usually walk to the gym, but as you can see, if you can see, it is currently raining, so yeah, we're driving. We're not lazy, we just don't want to get wet by the rain.
We have arrived. I'm not going to take you guys with me today, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. And we are back. you have two very knackered people here. Today was, what day was it? It was meant to be full body, but I felt like it was more of an upper body day, and now my arms are killing me, but my legs are also killing me. Maybe it was a full body day. Guys, what is going on? What is going on? We're back at our accommodation, but we can't leave like this. It's literally pouring. Oh my gosh.
2,000 years later.
And dinner is served. Thank you. Thank you. Me and Lydia are now parting ways. Say bye to the vlog. You've done that twice in this vlog. Bye. I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys have all enjoyed it. I think it's been a pretty hectic 3 days, so I think this vlog should be really good. If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, make sure to check out the playlist that will be on screen right now. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in a new video next time. Bye.